so I'm going to show you that how to open a Nokia 3310 case. So it's kind of easy, guys. I'm going to put a SIM card in my case. So I'm going to take out SIM card from this phone. My case is just put this one on here and we're ready to go. Okay, now this I was recording on 60 frames per second, so you guys can see properly that how to open. First, press this white mechanism, then hold like this if you don't have a strong thumb. So my way is like this, but you can like this if you want. See. Okay. So another tricky part is if you guys haven't used 3310 before, you guys wondering how to take out battery. Okay, this video also will show you. Take your two hand, pull like this. Just see, pull, then the battery flew up. So another problem is those who are young, like except me, I know how to put a SIM card. Yeah, I used this before, like few years ago, back before I owned an iPhone 4. So you guys can see. So in my case, usually I saw people put like this, but that's kind of like sucks. So I recommend just like this, then hold it, then you can get in easily. So I'm not sure why a lot of people like go like this. And there's few problem about 3310. First, the label was not 3310 IMEI. It's 1110, or I forgot already. I think it's 1110. Wow. Yeah, I don't care, so we're just going to put here. I guess I should put this guy instead. Just give me a few seconds. Well, this is only happened to mine, but it depends your SIM card, not mine or whatever. Yeah, so when you put a SIM card, put a battery, just put like this. Done. Then and close, put like this, and and like this. You guys can see it's working fine. There's a weird stuff on the display. I don't know what's that. And yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and this video actually is just for those who don't even know how to take out a 3310. And yeah, so stay tuned for the videos and peace out. Bye.